In this video, I'm going to show you how to create hundreds of mailboxes inside automated client acquisition. For that, we are going to use M365 tenants. So if you don't know what a tenant is, this is just a Microsoft environment which contains your domain and also the mailboxes. You will need to purchase this tenant, so you can obviously purchase them on your own. Otherwise, we have a service inside automated client acquisition. The link is automatedclientacquisition.com/m365-tenants. So they cost $9.70 per month. So it's very cheap. It gives you 100 mailboxes for one tenant. So basically, one tenant equals one domain equals 100 mailboxes. That's the recommended setup. I don't recommend to add more domains to a single tenant. Next, we need to create the domain. So you will need to buy domains from your usual register. Otherwise, I recommend to buy domains from Cloudflare because this is directly integrated inside automated client acquisition. And DNS zone setup is seamless. This is just one click after you've connected your API key. So the process is very straightforward. You go to settings and then integration. Here you will find Cloudflare. You just enter your API key and validate. And then when you're back inside the email infrastructure, you see that you can add domains. So if the API key is connected, this is going to load up all your domains that are within Cloudflare. Next, you need to just make sure that the DNS zone is properly deployed. As I've mentioned, if the domain is within Cloudflare, it's going to be automated. If this is not, you will just need to basically copy-paste inside your preferred register. Now, after you've set up the DNS zone, you will need to add mailboxes. So my preferred way is to have a list of names, just this, inside Google Doc, and just basically bulk deploy all those mailboxes. So I'll select everything. Then I'll head back over inside automated client acquisition. Here you will see that the domain is going to turn green. You need to click on this arrow, bulk add, and just paste everything. It's going to verify that the email doesn't already exist. And then you just need to click on create mailboxes. I recommend to do 100 at a time. And this is in fact the limit I recommend to not to exceed when you are using this type of setup. So I'll say it again, but it is really important. One tenant contains one domain, which contains 100 mailboxes. I don't recommend to have more domains on a single tenant, and I don't recommend to exceed the recommended 100 mailboxes per domain, because even if we are sending 3 to 5 emails per day per inbox, this is still 300 to 500 emails for a given domain for a given day. So it's not unnoticeable. It can be noticed. The system is designed so that we can rotate mailboxes, tenants, and obviously domains, so that if an email address burns or if a domain burns, it can be replaced so the campaign continues running. However, I don't recommend that you should push it to burn your domains. So next, you'll want to head over to mailboxes. You will see that you'll be able to select by domain, and you'll be able to bulk select, and here just edit signature. Click on generate with AI, type your company name, website, select the aspect, generate and apply, and this is going to create the signatures for you. So that's it. That's the process. Obviously, this is all connected to email sequences. So it's also connected to the unified inbox. This is something that you can do using an MCP as well. So if you big volume of domains, tenants, and mailboxes that you want to deploy, you can do it automatically.